Yo, what poppin' YouTube? It's your boy KD, back at it with another video for y'all. And today, I'm gonna teach y'all how y'all can use y'all USB mics on y'all phone. Android, iPhone, it don't matter. Just like I'm doing right now. I mean, as long as you got the right adapter. First thing you gonna need off rip, of course, is a USB mic. Hey, this mic I'm talking into is the AT2020 USB Plus. Y'all be the judge of how it sounds. I think it sounds pretty decent for a USB mic. It ran me like $50, so I would definitely recommend this mic if y'all on the budget. It's a decent little budget USB mic. I got another one too, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna do a comparison between the two, so you can see if you would be willing to spend an extra $20. Cause one I got is like 30 and one like 50. So y'all could be the judge. Next thing you're gonna need is an OTG adapter. This is what does all the magic. This is what's gonna get your mic power to work. So you're gonna need an OTG adapter. Right now I'm gonna show y'all what the OTG adapter looks like. My OTG adapter for the iPhone ran me like $40. Yeah, it's pretty pricey, but they say some other ones don't work with the iPhone. Only the Apple brand works. So I thought, you know what I'm saying, better safe than sorry. Might as well go ahead and get it out the way. Pay the whole 40. But yeah, if you're on Android, y'all got it better because y'all can get an adapter for like $10 and it's gonna work pretty much. If you're going on Amazon, just read the reviews. It'll tell you if it works. But yeah, man, that's pretty much how you hook your studio mic up to your iPhone or your Android, man. If this video helped y'all out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty new content coming soon, man. No cap. New presets too, so y'all tap in, man. See y'all next time.